हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मुझे जाना है एक दोस्त के बर्थडे पार्टी पर एंड एज यू कैन सी मैं आधी रेडी हो चुकी हूँ। आई बोन माय आउटफिट एंड आई डन माय नेल्स। बाय द वे दीज आर कॉल्ड इन योर फेस एंड यू विल गेट देम एट soeasy.in। मैंने इन्हें प्रोडक्ट्स में भी टैग किया है सो यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल। एंड आई थिंक मैंने आज ये पहनकर डिसाइड किया कि मैं रेडी होंगी ताकि आपको पता चले कि इट एक्चुअली इज सो इजी टू डू एनीथिंग while you're wearing your soeasy। So चलो let's get ready। आप देखोगे कितना आसान है नेल्स के साथ भी मेकअप करना। So here we go। Starting with skincare। This I like spraying on my face because it's like really refreshing, but I'm gonna pat it in क्योंकि इतना टाइम नहीं है रे बाबा, जल्दी जल्दी तैयार होने का है। You know what? Actually, oh yes, मुझे एक आइडिया आया था। आपने इतने सारे हैक्स भेजे थे मुझे, remember for that giveaway video, and there were like some 8,000 comments। ओके, मुझे लगा क्यों ना मैं कोई हैक्स आज ट्राई करूं while I'm doing my makeup। तो मैंने उसकी भी प्रिंट आउट बना के रखे थे and I'm going to select a couple of hacks from here which I can use today। Yeah, should be fun। What I should start with? अंजलि वन गुप्ता पूछती नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट क्वेश्चन आंसर, दिस इज नॉट फैन फ्राइडे, दिस इज मेकअप हैक्स। ओके, तो अंजलि वन गुप्ता बोल रही है, हाय सोना मैम, आई एम अंजलि गुप्ता फ्रॉम जयपुर राजस्थान। हाय अंजलि, द मेकअप टिप आई रियली फॉलो इज अंडर पेंटिंग। आई डू माई क्रीम कॉन्टूर एंड ब्लश फर्स्ट एंड देन अप्लाई अ लाइट लेयर ऑफ फाउंडेशन ऑन टॉप। इट मेक्स माई बेस लुक मोर नेचुरल एंड स्मूथ फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। दिस स्मॉल ट्रिक चेंज्ड माई होल मेकअप लुक। ओके, मैंने अंडर पेंटिंग बहुत टाइम पहले ट्राई किया था। आई रिमेम्बर, इट्स नॉट दैट इज बैड, आई डिडंट माइंड इट, बट आई प्रेफर्ड डूइंग माई कॉन्टूर एंड माई ब्लश ऑन टॉप ऑफ माई फाउंडेशन। तो अगर आपने आज ये हैक दिया हुआ है, आई शैल ट्राई इट आउट। अंजलि, सॉरी माय हस्बैंड्स मैसेजिंग। Okay, baby, I love you too. Safe flight. Mwah. This is done. Now I should prime. Yeah, prime. Because like Nikki says, not to prime is a crime. Where is my primer? अरे, ये एक 3-in-1 मल्टी फंक्शन मॉइस्चराइजर है। तो ये प्राइमर भी है, ये मेकअप, हाँ मेकअप मॉइस्चराइज, स्टॉप, मल्टी फंक्शन मॉइस्चराइजर, मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम, मेकअप बेस, मॉइस्चराइजिंग मास्क एंड मेकअप रिमूवर मिल्क। वाओ, ट्राई रिमूविंग माय मेकअप विद दिस, बट वेट, अगर ये मेकअप निकालता है तो इस पे मेकअप रहता कैसे है? Anyway, I've been using it for a while और मुझे काफी पसंद है because I don't have to apply 10 different things। Moisturizing and priming साथ में हो जाते हैं and now apparently removing also। So हालांकि I haven't faced that issue कि मेरा मेकअप कुछ पील हो रहा है या निकल रहा है। I guess that's why I've been using it for so long। आपने नोटिस किया होगा, आई रियली लाइक टू स्टिक टू माई प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई फील हम सब एज वुमेन एंड और पीपल हु डू देयर ओन मेकअप, हमें पता चल जाता है कि हम पर क्या सूट कर रहा है और क्या नहीं। आई लाइक टू स्टिक टू दोज थिंग्स। आपने नोटिस किया होगा, आई रियली रेयरली चेंज प्रोडक्ट्स। Primer is done and Anjali said underpainting, so I guess we are underpainting। For this then I think मैं एक slightly darker contour stick use करना चाहूँगी, which is this one, and I'm going in directly on my skin। मैं usually brush पर डालकर ये use करती हूँ, but today I'm going in just like that। अंजलि, मैं पार्टी पे जा रही हूँ और अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ ना, मैं आपको पकड़ने आ रही हूँ। Quite a bit of contour, as you can see on both sides। Let's do the jawline। Okay, anywhere else? Here and here, जो मैं usually नहीं करती हूँ। Oh, too much, but it's okay, foundation आ जाएगा उस पर। Anywhere else? No, nose I'll do later। Contour and blush। Oh, but now problem is I have one blush which is creamy, but वो बहुत ही light है, वो barely दिखता है जब foundation के ऊपर करती हूँ, तो उसके नीचे तो बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेगा। So this is out of the question। And I have one powder blush which I feel will be quite silly to put under a cream product। What to do? I don't know, let's go ahead and see another hack। कुछ देखा था मैंने actually, which I could use, and it is here by RB Rahul 9114. They are saying lipstick is often used in makeup in a very versatile way, not only on the lips but also as a blush and even as an eyeshadow. Right on time, you are a savior, and you have given me a great idea of using lipstick as blush. So now I need to find like a bullet lipstick or a crayon, because मैं ये matte finish lipstick तो नहीं use कर सकती as blush. It will look crazy and just stick to my face. This is a very nude lipstick. No, it won't work either. I have a lip tint which could work. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm scared. Okay, keeping my brush ready just in case. Oh, also very light. Too light. Won't work. Okay, next. This one, which I used to use as blush, but over my foundation. Sorry, forgot to complete my sentence. I should put lots now because इसके ऊपर आएगा. This is how I apply blush, guys. और by the way, concealer लगाना भूल चुकी. Okay, contour and blush is done. I look completely cracked right now, but underpainting. No, so let's see. I had read another which sounded very nice. Isha Vasu -ZY4KD is saying, "Hello, Isha from Mumbai, and I love your videos genuinely. Acha, now let me tell you the desi hack. Instead of using a primer, I mix aloe vera gel with my foundation. This combo stays on for a long time and doesn't irritate my skin at all. कुछ नहीं जीता, यही जितवा दो भगवान जी." She's talking about the giveaway. Sorry ईशा, वो हैम्पर तो किसी और ने जीत लिया, but आपका हैक आ गया और आपका नेम भी मेंशन हो गया. So I hope that makes you feel good. Aloe vera gel with foundation. Are you serious? पक्का ना कुछ होगा नहीं इससे? Because I usually put my aloe vera gel अपने प्राइमर के साथ में मिक्स करके अपने फेस पर लगाती हूँ before I put my foundation. So actually वो तो try putting it with the foundation. Let me just go get my aloe vera gel. Okay, here it is. इतने दिनों से मैं ये use नहीं कर रही थी because it was in my toiletries kit which I was traveling with, so I forgot about it, but here it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a, कितना लेते हैं? That you didn't specify, but I'm just gonna take very little. Are you sure I can mix this with my foundation? See, so easy, acts like a spatula also. That was neat. Good job. Well done, well done. I'm really not sure about this, but I'm gonna do it anyway क्योंकि आपने बोला है, and that's how much I love you guys. So let's experiment today. Hello. Okay. Very little. Huh. Okay. So like that much. Where is my foundation brush? Just do it. It got mixed pretty quickly. And it's spreading pretty evenly. And I'm starting to think this was a very good idea. Hello, Isha. It's feeling so nice and cool while I'm applying it. Wow. Oh my god. This is a great hack, guys. I approve. Sona approves. Oh my god, this foundation is looking even. It's spreading beautifully. Now the only doubt I have is that ये ज़्यादा oily तो नहीं लगने लगेगा. That is one of my bigger concerns. So this underpainting also was not a bad idea at all. I can see like nice contour, but I might have to redo the blush. Thanks guys for your lovely hacks. They were quite cool. I enjoyed trying out something new. So let's get back now to अपने पुराने तरकीबे. Where's my concealer? ये क्यों घूम जाता है हमेशा guys?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Ooh, I found something I want to try today. This is one concealer, but I want to use the other one. So, where is it? एक मिनट रुक जा. Wow, it's like too light, man. I think I have turned quite a bit. And concealer को इस blush के ऊपर करने का कोई point नहीं था. And oh my god, the concealer is spreading like it's the aloe vera. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What do I do? It's the aloe vera. Everything is spreading really good. Guys, I can just tell it's the aloe vera because my makeup usually doesn't do this even when I put it on top of. Oh my god. जोक हो गया guys, मुझ पर बहुत ही भद्दा मजाक खेला है किसी ने. So now I'm going to have to, should I just wing it and go with it and like do something like, because I have seen people do worse in like makeup videos. They go like fully bright over here and then they cover it with like makeup and it looks like fine. But also I'm going for a party today and I don't want to look like a fool over there. So just bear with me here. Oh my god, I look like a moron. Is that much better? Okay, I think इस चीज से मैंने 2 चीजें सीखी हैं जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. एक, एलोवेरा से चीजें आपकी आपकी स्किन पर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली स्प्रेड आउट होती है. So be very careful with the amount of anything that you're using on top of aloe vera. अब ये थोड़ा सा salvage हो चुका है. I'm going to wait for the eyeshadow and everything, the rest of the makeup to come on top. I'm going to have to apply my blush again because मैंने यहाँ पर और foundation डाला है and I have to clean up some of the concealer. I am going to contour also a little bit more. Maybe only on this side. This side looks quite nice actually. देखते हैं अभी आगे जाते जाते क्या करना है. So yeah, let's just first powder it down. I can do my contour powder on contour powder trick, but this contour powder is a bit dark, but I'm gonna go for it anyway. मैंने एक नया वाला मंगाया है, वो आ जाना चाहिए था. 1 second.
हेलो
मोनिका, मेरा कोई पार्सल आया आज?
हाँ एक आया है.
लेके आना.
हाँ
खोल के. Let's just wait for that. ये बाद में भी हो सकता है. Let me start with eyes. This is a nice one. I've always wanted to try cut crease. Yeah, I think I will today. Going in with the. एक मिनट. मेरे नाम का? ये नहीं मंगाया मैंने. कहाँ से आया? They sent me a wrong parcel. Excuse me. Gonna go in with incense for my lips or the crease. I'm not sure yet. ये एक बहुत ही अच्छे शेप में आ गया without me doing much. I really think this aloe vera is very good for spreading products on the skin. Miss Anjali, concealer में तो घान हो गया, but like this other stuff is like really good, I must say. Now I want to do like a bronze smudgy. Let's see how that goes. Nice, but it's too brown. I'm going to do some black on it as well. Black. Very slightly, huh? Okay, and one palette only. Yeah, I don't think I need anything else. I'm gonna go in with this Mulberry. And then with a little bit of gold, and that is called beautiful. vibe. Wait, let me tone it down just a little bit. अब क्या करें? I wanted to try this one thing. This is some liquid eyeshadow. It's a very cool color. I think it'll go with my outfit. So let me try it. It's like, oh, it's really good, but I'm very scared. How to do? Wait, I have a crease brush. Wait. कुछ idea है मैडम को. एक मिनट. Got this. I think I did something cool. Not sure yet, but कुछ हो रहा है. कुछ हो रहा है. Okay, wait, let me try another method. But then I'm gonna have to change my brown line, make it into a nice dark one. Okay. Don't try. Quite cool, but the brown isn't working, so I have to change it to black. And where is my black eyeliner? Come on out. Arey yaar. Are you ready? This is good. Now I'm gonna need to put some kajal. Ooh. Should I tightline the top? I hate doing that. Like, I absolutely hate doing that. But I should, no? Okay. Oh, I hate that. I don't know how people wear contact lenses and do that, but like, it's without it's so annoying. Contour powder mera naya wala nahi aaya, so we're going with the old one, which is slightly dark. So I'll have to use it very, very little. I use my powder brush for. So silly, yaar. क्यों मैं ऐसे करती हूँ? क्यों, guys? Okay, good enough. एंड अब हमें लगाना पड़ेगा थोड़ा और ब्लश, क्योंकि वो निकल चुका था. Okay, see how the under eyes are looking too white? That's because of the blush, and I have yet again messed up. So निकलो यहाँ से, निकलो. बेटा, बाउए. No point combing my eyebrows क्योंकि वो ऐसे ही होते हैं. मुझे एक शो के लिए बोला गया था कि don't thread your eyebrows and like, you know, they have to look like they're very unkempt and everything, but मेरे eyebrows ऐसे ही लगते हैं. I don't do them. I don't even pluck. एक आध बाल कभी आ गया, so I pluck it out with a tweezer, but I don't need to do my eyebrows. तो उन्हें पता नहीं था, and they felt like I was secretly on the sly doing my eyebrows, but I wasn't. So yeah. I love doing eyebrows. एकदम complete लगने लगता है. I love it. See, there's like one extra hair there, which I will remove, and that is my eyebrow routine. Done. Literally one hair. And now lips. क्या करें? Mascara करें पहले? Yeah. Good idea. highlighter. इसका भी कुछ हैक था actually. Wait. Okay, Mehek MEHEKKK.011 is saying, "Hi Sona, this is Mehek from Mumbai. I really appreciate you and your work. You really inspire me in so many things. But the makeup hack or tip is okay. Listen." Thanks for the compliments. This sounds weird, but it works after you finish your base. Take the tiniest bit of your lip balm, like barely anything, and tap it on the high points of your cheekbones with your ring finger. Not gloss, not oil, just balm. It gives this super soft natural glow that looks like skin, not makeup. Every time I do it, people think I have glass skin. LMAO. Okay. Try it, you'll see. Because it's me and I don't learn from my mistakes, I'm going to try it. Of course I am. क्योंकि बहुत टाइम है मेरे पास ये सब वापस करने के लिए, but tiniest bit on your ring finger. Maybe a little more. Does look like a nice glow. Okay, this one was a good one, huh? Mehek, well done. Who would have thought? क्या बात है, आप लोग क्या ये करते रहते हो क्या? यहाँ की चीज वहाँ डालना, वहाँ की चीज यहाँ डालना. Nice, interesting. Okay, let's go. But it's got a nice sheen to it. Next is lips. Yeah, क्या करें lips का, क्योंकि eyes तो dark हो गए. Maybe this soft little thing. मुझे कुछ आवाजें आ रही पीछे से. Outside my window.
तेरी ऐसी की तैसी जाता है कि
Can't be Zahir. He's not in town. He's just boarded his flight. But yeah. Okay, I'm using this on the lips. Ooh, nice. I just remembered कि मैं आपको बताने वाली थी why I don't like using lip liner. Yes. Okay, that's a interesting story. So, पिछली बार I think it was Zahir's birthday and it was this video where I put lip liner. Immediately I started feeling very uncomfortable. मुझे बहुत अजीब लगने लगा. I just felt like my face was not looking nice and I don't know, it's a very personal thing. Then I realized जब मैं lip liner डालती हूँ, so one this इसको क्या वो ये Cupid's bow होता है और ये lip line जो मेरा natural है, one is higher than the other और जो मेरा Cupid's bow है उसमें hardly any space है, you know, so from my lip to my nose there's hardly any space. तो जब मैं लाइन करती हूँ वो और ऊपर लगता है मेरे लिप्स और वो जो ये एक साइड थोड़ा ऊपर है that gets very defined and it just starts looking very odd to me. So I love the way my lips are just like this and that's why I realized I don't like putting lip liner. So yeah, otherwise I mean it's great, it looks fine and I'm very happy with it. But yeah, lip liner आते ही मुझे पता नहीं कुछ मेरी एंटेना कहीं और चली जाती है. Yeah, looks like makeup is done. Let us lock it in with some setting spray. Where's the paper? Okay, good. Now what should we do to the hair? It's pretty straight. Should I try a side parting today? Yeah, it's been very long now since I've done side parting. Nice. Let's try. You know what? आज मैंने lenses भी मंगाए थे because last time when I tried them for that video where you all had suggested products, आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा था and honestly मुझे भी थोड़ा अच्छा लगा था. So I had ordered it, but वो पहुंचा नहीं अब तक. It was supposed to get delivered today, but it did not. So हो गया क्या? Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. चलो one second, let me do one half of istri over here, and I'll show you how I create that flip also in my. Okay, कहाँ गया? हाँ. Nice little flip on the other side as well. Oh, too much of a flip. That's not what I wanted, but yeah, just that. Yup. Should I accessorize? I'm very bad at this, guys, so please bear with me while I try to accessorize. I bought this, but I've never had the chance to wear it. Too much, no? It is for this outfit. Do you think it's not bad at all? But maybe then I'll have to just like shut this, you know, instead of letting the black show. But even the black showing, it's really not looking bad. With gold shoes maybe I can wear it, but yeah, अभी इसको डालने के लिए I will have to. I did it to prove a point कि I can do anything with math so easy, so I will prove that point, ladies and gents. Even though it's a struggle, मैं करके दिखाऊंगी. Attempt number 1 fail. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
आग लगा दी, आग लगा.
I'm ready, guys. So self-sufficient. But yeah, pehle let me zip this, not zip, sorry, button this. Cover the black. You know what? It's actually looking really nice, and I'm ready to go party. Thank you for watching. अगर आपको ये लुक पसंद आया प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए, और अगली बार आप मुझे कैसा मेकअप लुक करना देखना चाहते हैं वो भी बताइए, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विथ मेकअप, क्योंकि आप मुझे अपना डेली मेकअप करते हुए देख चुके हैं कई बार. सो या, टेल मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लुक यू वुड लाइक टू सी, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Love you guys.